This repair video for the P0014 error code is specifically tailored for Audi drivers. If your Audi is showing a P0014 code, this is for you. P0014 indicates the engine control module has determined that the Bank 1 intake camshaft is more advanced than what the engine control module has commanded it be. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Low engine oil level, dirty or old engine oil, faulty VVT solenoid, camshaft position sensor issues, damaged timing components, faulty ECM, camshaft actuator failure, oil pressure issues. Here are two simple practical methods to fix the problem. Method A, oil change. Locate the oil drain plug on your vehicle and place an oil collection pan underneath it. Loosen the nut. Drain the engine oil. When the flow of the oil gets slower, use the oil filter wrench to loosen the oil filter. Apply some seal on the new oil filter. Now tighten the filter on its place. Then retighten the nut. To fill the vehicle with fresh oil, you should first locate your oil fill cap at the top of the engine. Clean the cap before removing it. Take the cap off and place the funnel into the opening. Add the amount of oil specified for your vehicle, and then replace the cap. After the oil change, start the engine and let it run for a minute to bring your oil pressure up, and recheck your oil level. To check oil levels, pull the dipstick out and clean it off. Replace the dipstick and pull it out again. The oil should be near the top dot or fill line. If it is close to the lower dot, you'll need to add more oil. Place the used oil from your collection pane into an airtight container with a screw-on cap. Make sure the oil is cool before transferring to the container. Used motor oil can be recycled at most auto stores or at recycling centers. Method B, the camshaft oil control valve. The camshaft oil control valves are typically found in vehicles equipped with variable valve timing systems. To begin, carefully remove the camshaft oil control valve from the engine. Next, clean the valve thoroughly using a specialized valve cleaner. After cleaning, use a multimeter to test the camshaft oil control valve. At an ambient temperature of 68 degrees Fahrenheit, the expected resistance should range between 6.9 ohms and 7.9 ohms. If no reading is detected, this indicates that the camshaft oil control valve is defective and needs to be replaced.
So here are two of the particle methods to fix P0014 error code.
It occurs in a wide range of cars from different manufacturers, including Ford, GM, Toyota, Honda, etc. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.